ᱧᱮᱞ ᱯᱮ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸᱭ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱯᱷᱟᱥᱴ ᱯᱟর্ট ᱵᱟᱝᱯᱮ ᱧᱮᱞ ᱟᱠᱟᱫᱟ ᱢᱮᱱᱫᱚ ᱥᱴᱨᱚᱝ ᱨᱩᱴ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱩᱱᱠᱩ ᱫᱚ ᱯᱷᱟᱥᱴ ᱯᱟর্ট ᱧᱮᱞ ᱯᱮ ᱱᱮক্ᱥᱴ ᱛᱟᱨᱯᱚᱨᱮ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱥᱮᱠᱮন্ড ᱯᱟর্ট ᱯᱮ ᱧᱮᱞᱟ ᱤᱧ ᱯᱟᱲᱦᱟᱣ ᱫᱟ ᱟᱯᱮ ᱧᱮᱞ ᱤᱫᱤ ᱯᱮ ᱫᱟ ᱥᱤᱵᱷᱟᱢ ᱴᱮম্ᱯᱮᱞ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱞᱟᱹᱭᱫᱟᱭ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱮᱱ ᱥᱤᱵᱟ ᱢᱮᱱᱫᱚ ᱥᱤᱵ ᱢᱚᱱᱫᱤᱨ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱟᱠᱟᱫᱟ ᱦᱩইᱪ ᱢᱮᱰ ᱨᱟᱢᱮᱥᱣᱚᱨᱚᱢ ᱯᱷᱚᱨ ᱯᱷᱮᱢᱟᱥ ᱪᱮᱞᱟᱭ ᱯᱤᱞᱜᱨᱤᱢᱥ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱢᱮᱱᱫᱚ ᱱᱚᱝᱠᱟᱱ ᱠᱟᱛᱷᱟᱭ ᱢᱮᱱᱮᱫᱟ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱫᱚ ᱥᱤᱵ ᱢᱚᱱᱫᱤᱨ ᱨᱮ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱫᱚ ᱨᱟᱢᱮᱥᱣᱚᱨᱚᱢ ᱥᱟᱸᱜᱷᱟᱨᱤᱭᱟᱹ ᱠᱚ ᱞᱟᱹᱜᱤᱫ ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱵᱤᱠᱠᱷᱟᱛᱚ ᱟᱱᱟᱜ ᱡᱟᱭᱜᱟ ᱦᱩᱭ ᱩᱛᱟᱹᱨ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ about an 10-minute walk for our house ᱪᱮᱫ ᱟᱞᱮ ᱚᱲᱟᱜ ᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱫᱚ ᱛᱤᱱᱟᱹᱜ 10 minute ᱥᱟᱺᱜᱤᱧ ᱨᱮ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱟᱠᱟᱫᱟ ᱛᱟᱲᱟᱢ ᱛᱮ our locality was predominantly Muslim but there were quite lot of Hindu families to living amicably with their Muslim neighbors ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱢᱟᱱᱮ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱞᱮᱫᱟᱭ ᱟᱞᱮᱭᱟᱜ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱴᱚᱞᱟᱨᱮ ᱵᱟᱹᱲᱛᱤ ᱠᱟᱭᱛᱮ ᱪᱤᱞᱤ ᱢᱩᱥᱞᱤᱢ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱜᱮᱠᱚ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱢᱮᱱᱠᱷᱟᱱ ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱜᱟᱱ ᱦᱤᱱᱫᱩ ᱜᱷᱟᱨᱚᱸᱡᱽ ᱦᱚᱸ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱢᱮᱱᱠᱷᱟन ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱠᱚᱨᱮᱱ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸᱭ ᱢᱩᱥᱞᱤᱢ ᱠᱚ ᱥᱟᱶ ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱥᱩᱞᱩᱠ ᱥᱟᱹᱜᱟᱹᱭ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱ ᱛᱟᱠᱚᱣᱟ There was a very old mosque in our locality where father would take me for every prayers ᱪᱮᱫᱟᱜ ᱟᱞᱮ ᱴᱚᱞᱟ ᱨᱮ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱟᱝ ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱢᱚᱥᱡᱤᱫ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱢᱚᱠᱥ ᱯᱮ ᱯᱟᱲᱦᱟᱣ ᱠᱮᱫᱟ ᱢᱚᱠᱥ ᱢᱟᱱᱮ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱢᱚᱥᱡᱤᱫ ᱪᱮᱫᱟᱜ ᱟᱞᱮ ᱴᱚᱞᱟ ᱨᱮ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱟᱝ ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱢᱟᱨᱮ ᱢᱚᱥᱡᱤᱫ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸᱛᱮ ᱢᱮᱱᱫᱚ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸᱨᱮ ᱤᱧ ᱵᱟᱵᱟ ᱟᱹᱭᱩᱵ ᱵᱮᱨ নামাজ পড়াও লাগিতে ইদিন থাকে I had not the faintest idea of the meaning of the Arabic prayer and chanted but I was totally convinced that they reached God ᱪᱮᱫᱟᱜ ᱟᱨᱚᱵᱤᱠ ᱞᱟᱹᱭᱟᱹᱜ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ নামাজ ᱨᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱢᱮᱱᱮᱫ ᱵᱟᱵᱚᱫ ᱛᱮ ᱤᱧᱟᱹᱜ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱦᱚᱸ ᱵᱟᱰᱟᱭ ᱥᱮ ᱫᱷᱟᱨᱚᱱᱟ ᱫᱚ ᱵᱟᱝ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱢᱮᱱᱠᱷᱟन ᱤᱧ ᱯᱩᱨᱟᱹᱯᱩᱨᱤ ᱯᱟᱹᱛᱭᱟᱹᱣᱤᱧ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱡᱮ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱯᱨᱮᱭᱟᱨ ᱥᱮ ᱱᱮᱦᱚᱨ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱫᱚ ᱱᱤশ্চয় ঈশ্বর ᱥᱮ আল্লাহ ᱴᱷᱮᱱ ᱥᱮᱴᱮᱨᱚᱜ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ When my father came out of the mosque after the prayer people of different religion would be sitting outside waiting for him ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱢᱟᱱᱮ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱞᱮᱫᱟᱭ নামাজ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱛᱟᱭᱚᱢ ᱩᱱᱨᱮ ᱵᱟᱵᱟ ᱢᱚᱥᱡᱤᱫ ᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱵᱟᱦᱨᱮ ᱨᱮ ᱩᱰᱩᱠᱚᱜᱼᱟᱭ ᱡᱚᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱩᱱ ᱚᱠᱛᱚ ᱟᱭᱢᱟ ᱫᱷᱚᱨᱚᱢ ᱨᱮᱱ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱵᱟᱵᱟ ᱞᱟᱹᱜᱤᱫ ᱠᱚ ᱫᱩᱲᱩᱵ ᱠᱚᱜ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫ ᱫᱤᱱᱟᱹᱢ ᱫᱤᱱ ᱜᱮ Many of the offer bowls of water to my father who would dip his fingertips in then when say a prayer ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱨᱮᱭᱟᱜ ᱢᱟᱱᱮ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱞᱮᱫᱟ ᱧᱮᱞ ᱯᱮ ᱦᱮᱸ ᱩᱱᱠᱩ ᱢᱩᱫᱽᱨᱮ ᱟᱭᱢᱟ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱜᱮ ᱵᱟᱵᱟ ᱴᱷᱮᱱ ᱫᱟᱜ ᱵᱟᱹᱴᱤ ᱥᱟᱵ ᱟᱛᱮ ᱠᱚ ᱦᱤᱡᱩᱜ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫ ᱪᱮᱞᱟᱭ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱟᱨᱠᱤ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱞᱮᱠᱟᱱᱟᱜ ᱵᱟᱹᱴᱤ ᱴᱟᱹᱴᱤᱭᱟᱹ ᱚᱱᱠᱟᱱᱟᱜ ᱡᱟ ᱡᱟᱵᱚᱛᱤ ᱡᱤᱱᱤᱥ ᱥᱟᱵ ᱟᱛᱮ ᱠᱚ ᱦᱤᱡᱩᱜ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱨᱮᱫᱚ ᱫᱟᱜ ᱥᱟᱦᱚᱵ ᱫᱟᱲᱮᱭᱟᱜᱼᱟ ᱦᱤᱡᱩᱜ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱨᱮ ᱤᱧ ᱵᱟᱵᱟ ᱟᱡᱟᱜ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱠᱟᱹᱴᱩᱵ ᱮ ᱰᱩᱵᱩᱡ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫ ᱮᱵᱚᱝ ᱟᱨ ᱢᱤᱫ ᱫᱷᱟᱣ ᱱᱮᱦᱚᱨ ᱢᱮᱱᱫᱚ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱵᱚ ᱵᱚᱱ ᱢᱮᱛᱟᱜ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱵᱟᱠᱷᱮᱲ ᱮ ᱞᱟᱹᱭ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫ This water was then carried home for invalids ᱪᱮᱫ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱫᱚ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱫᱟᱜ ᱫᱚ ᱨᱩᱣᱟᱹ ᱦᱟᱹᱥᱩ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱠᱚ ᱞᱟᱹᱜᱤᱫ ᱚᱲᱟᱜ ᱛᱮᱠᱚ ᱤᱫᱤ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫᱼᱟ I also remember people visiting our home of offer thanks after being cured ᱪᱮᱫ ᱞᱮᱫᱟᱭ ᱤᱧᱟᱹᱜ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱦᱚᱸ ᱢᱚᱱᱮ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱ ᱛᱤᱧᱟᱹ ᱡᱮ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸᱭ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱠᱚᱠᱚ ᱨᱩᱣᱟᱹ ᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱠᱚ ᱵᱮᱥᱚᱜ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫ ᱢᱮᱱᱫᱚ ᱥᱩᱥᱛᱷᱚᱜ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱟᱠᱚ ᱩᱱᱠᱩ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱤᱧ ᱵᱟ ᱴᱷᱮᱱ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱫᱚ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ ᱡᱟᱱᱟᱣ ᱠᱚ ᱦᱤᱡᱩᱜ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫᱼᱟ Father always smiled and asked them to thank Allah the merciful ᱪᱮᱞᱟᱭ ᱟᱨ ᱤᱧ ᱵᱟ ᱥᱚᱵ ᱥᱚᱢᱚᱭ ᱢᱮᱛᱟ ᱠᱚ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸᱫ ᱡᱮ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ ᱯᱮ ᱡᱟᱱᱟᱣᱟᱭ ᱠᱷᱟᱱ আল্লাহ ᱜᱮ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ ᱫᱚ ᱡᱟᱱᱟᱣᱟᱭ ᱯᱮ The high priest of Rameswaram temple Pakshi Lakshman Shastri was a very close friend of my father's রামেশ্বরম রিনিজ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸᱭ ᱢᱩᱲᱩᱫ ᱯᱩᱡᱟᱹᱨᱤᱭᱟᱹ ᱯᱚᱠᱠᱷᱤ ᱞᱚᱠᱥᱢᱚᱱ ᱥᱟᱥᱛᱨᱤ ᱵᱟᱵᱟᱭᱤᱡ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱥᱩᱨ ᱜᱟᱛᱮᱭ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ One of the most vivid memories of my early childhood is of the two men is in traditional attire discussing spiritual matter chele inya gidra okto rena mid adi sores uyhar ar do huyuk kana unkin bana horge mendo inba ar jaha Paksi Laxman Sastri bana horge akina ari chali lekan lugri horok kate dhorom kore ar satam babot tekin galmarao kan tahen. When I was old enough to ask question, I asked my father about the relevance of prayer. যখন ইন কুলি লেকান হারাইনাই উন যখন ইন বাবা নেহর সে gonong mendo binti babotin kuli kedeya. My father told me there was nothing mysterious about prayer. Chele baba inya lay adinyai je nehor redo ched ho uku katha do banua. Rather, prayer made possible a communion of the spirit between people. Chele borong nehor do hor ko talare mone jiwi mi kami re goroi ema mendo meten line re focus emai. When you pray you transit a part of cosmos which now no division of whether age caste of create chele noada ati very important line kana chele jokhon amem nehora un jokhon am do ama hormo khon chetan re mendo ama hormo khon uduk kate sen kate noa dharti rena mi hatinyem benawa se mi hatinyem chalaa jahare kisad rengej umer jati se dhorom rena kono bhegar banu akada. My father could convey complex spiritual concept in very simple down to earth Tamil he told me chele dai baba do adi ghadi dhorom katha se jahana koge algate Tamil te lay dareyak kan the se inya layain kan the ai. He once told me in his own time in his own place in what a really is and in the stage he was reached good or bad every human being in specific element with the whole of the manifest divine being nore mane chelde uni midhai metadin tahe je ama okto ama thau se ama jaha ar unku jahai ge bange huyo ar ho thok re seterakan mendo jaha galmara thau re seterakan bugi se badi jhoto manwa ge noa dharti re ईश्वरा mit hatin kana ko. Why be afraid to difficult suffering and problem when trouble come try to understand he relieves of your suffering adversity always to present opportunities for introspection enkhan etketore harket se anat khon do che lagi mendo che lagi em botoroa jokhon anat hijua un okto ama kosto rena mene bujhau rena kurumutui me bari okto do jaige apnar te apnara bujhau lagi mi sujuk emayem ठीक है ना आर मेटेन पार्टिंग बेना और तबन मुझे दोका जहां नो स्ट्रॉन्ग रूट्स